Hey guys, it's Neil and welcome back to my channel. As you can see behind me, there's something new, probably why you clicked on this video. I got myself a new iMac. So I had my previous iMac since I was in year 12, so I was 18. That was about 4 years ago I got it. So I've had that computer for 4 years. I bought it brand new. It was like the 2017 version or something like that, so it was like a year old when I got it, so it wasn't old at all, and it still works perfectly well. But because I wanted to start making heavier videos, things that like take a lot more production effects, things like that, when I'm editing, the computer just can't handle it anymore. It doesn't have enough RAM. I just figured I've had it for so long, it was a good investment, and now I'm ready to move on to a newer version. So I did get the new iMac, the new range of the colored iMacs. It took a month and a half to get here. For a range that has all new colors, you would think they would at least have the colors on hand, but no. Anything other than like the very standard colors you'll probably need to ship in, so that's what I had to do. So I've been waiting a while for this one to come in, but I can't complain too much because it wasn't too long. But let's get into which one I got. All up, I paid 2,539 Australian dollars, and I got the 24-inch pink iMac with 4.5K Retina display. It has an 8-core CPU and 8-core GPU, 256 GB storage, 8 GB unified memory, 24 inches of 4.5K Retina display, 2 Thunderbolt/USB 4 ports, 2 USB 3 ports, Gigabyte Ethernet cable, which is actually on the power block down the bottom, and a Magic Keyboard with Touch ID. And I upgraded it to a keyboard with the extra numeric tactile thingy on the side, just because I like to use that. And I got the second version, so not the standard version, I got the one up. So expect better videos, good videos, ones that will be quickly edited on this computer, since hopefully, if it says what it says it's supposed to do, it's going to be quick and really effective. But I'm super happy with my purchase. I love the color. I was thinking maybe I should just get the regular version, but if you know me, I love pink. Can't see it right now, but everything on my desk is pink. I love it. So I love to make my own art and collect my own art and others on the wall, and also a lot of Japanese studying stuff. I'm going to really appreciate my pink monitor. It's a shame that it is red on the back, not that it doesn't look good, but that I never get to see it because it is turned around. If it was like in an office or something like that, you'd just be able to see the back, but of course this is just at home, so it's just facing the wall. Quite significantly bigger screen than my old one. My old one's just over here because I need to transfer a few things over from it, but there is just a few inches difference on her. This one is slightly taller. This is my new computer, and I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it inspires you to get a new computer if that's what you're after. Don't go spend too much money on a computer. Trust me, an old computer is just as good as a new one. Mine is literally just on its last legs after almost 4 or 5 years of use. And I regularly delete everything off it. I erase the whole thing and restart it all the time. But now it's gotten to a point where that won't do much because it's not really a problem of storage anymore, it's a problem of RAM. I'm not a computer expert, of course. I've just been using Apple for a while, and that's why I continue to get Apple, because I love Apple. I used to have Toshibas and all this kind of stuff when I was younger, but ever since I got an Apple things, I've never gone back. So just my spiel of why I continue to get Apple. I basically just love the way it works. I love the interface and simplicity of it and everything like that. Anyway, I'm going to continue getting started on my new computer. It is thundering like crazy outside. Around my area, a lot of people are getting flooded, and luckily our house is quite above sea level and on a hill, so we haven't been affected too much by it, but you can probably hear in the background that it's going crazy out there and it's really pouring down. So today's just going to be a cozy night in to play with my new computer. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed. Bye!